Right, magandang umaga mga Timple Vlogs. Welcome sa isa na namang video bus check. Ngayong araw na to, June so hard. June 5, 2024, 7:22 AM. So come on guys, let's check this out. Kunin muna natin lahat ng mga kailangang. So, ang gamitin natin ay ang pinakaunang bus dito sa New Zealand na EV 5701. And put up muna natin yung school sign. And this one is bearing plate number NNJ 799, which will expire on June 11, 2025. 1 year pa mahigit ang expiration. Old damage, mga old damage yan wala namang kwenta yan, natural na lang yan. As I've said before sa mga video vlogs ko, importante lang naman dyan ay yung adjusters at saka gulong kung old damage, pwede yan pare. Good. Ito puro bago. Pal tayo. Just fenders are missing. One sa likod. New ads 5701. Yan, puro old damage. You see, it's all damages. Old damages. Okay. This one also. Old damage. Tires are still thick. Adjusters are all good. And let's go. Adjusters all good. And my bag is all good. And yan. Handrails are stiff and not loose, which is good. But the downside of the bus is it has not been swept. So minimal dirtiness on the bus. So all good. Adjusters all good. So that's all for our video bus vlog. Paalam. Yan. See you next video bus vlog.